Hello guys, Ravi here, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the Redmi Note 3 new edition. So let's check the overview of this cell phone. So the CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 650 hexa-core 1.8 GHz max processor. The display is 5.5 inch full HD IPS display. The camera is 16 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front facing shooter. The battery is about 4050 mAh lithium polymer battery, and it's based on Miui. As everyone knows, it's a Mi device, and it's a gold version 32 GB variant, and it took 4 days to come from mi.in, and it's exclusive made in India version. So let's unbox it and check the internal overview of this cell phone. So just peel the cover. It has a cover on this thing, and just open the box. So here it is, the gold variant cell phone. So just here is the cell phone, 5.5 inch, and it's feel very light in the hand. There are volume rockers and lock button over here, and the IR blaster at the upside, an earpiece, noise cancellation mic. At the back side there is 16 megapixel shooter, and the two LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner. Here is the microphone grill and the Mi branding, and here is a SIM tray at the left side. The phone look very shiny and very good in the hand, in the overall performance, in the look department. And let's boot up. Check what is inside the box. There is some manual. As you can see, there is some manual. Some guide, and this tool to remove the SIM tray. And here is the travel adapter. It's not the its input and output is normal, and here is the USB. Oops. It's a basic which we get from my cell phone. So let's go to the cell phone. Yeah, it's on MIUI 7. Just the setup. So we are finally on MIUI 7 on the Redmi Note 3. So finally we are on the home page, and let's go to the setting and check the developer. It's running on Lollipop That's the great thing, but it's not on Marshmallow and not on MIUI 8. So let's check. Yeah, the update is already available for MIUI 8, so you can update it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want it. So many more awesome videos of this MIUI 8 and Redmi Note 3 will be coming on the channel, so please subscribe. Thank you so much.